y'all? I'm Missy.
And I'm Brady.
And today I'm looking like a lemon lime, but it's okay.
It's straight. It's straight. You looking good, girl. You looking good.
So today we are cooking.
Yeah.
Cooking.
Eating. Eating. She cooking. I'm eating. Yeah.
So today we're going to be cooking some tacos, but not some
regular tacos.
Regular tacos.
We're going to be cooking something special. Something good. Something super good. Something that I always eat, but I never ate this before.
Doritos tacos! So I got some ground turkey, but I just prefer the turkey meat over the beef meat because sometimes the beef meat make me sick. So
I like meat in general.
You can't go without the
pico de gallo.
Got to have the sour cream.
Man, she got the squeezy kind because we like to be neat up in here.
Got to have the cheese.
The cheese that you grate, not pre-grated, because we like to grate our own cheese.
Extra, not just the light, but the extra light olive oil.
Olive, what?
I'm eating healthy.
I don't have to eat healthy.
You gotta use this.
Why?
It's good for you. Hard shells that's already done. Alright, and I don't know if I said we got the Doritos.
Doritos, of course.
Alright, first off we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our meat last because we gotta put our taco shells in the oven.
Right.
I think you probably can like cook the meat. I don't know about you cooking the meat. I don't know about you cooking the meat because I might have worms.
Yeah, West Nile disease or
worms. You can stick to the cheese. You can stick to what you normally do.
Yeah, I got the cheese. I got the cheese because I got the cheese in my pockets. You know what I mean?
For sure.
Got the dough too.
We got our bowl.
We got that bowl.
Pink, yeah. So what we gonna do is we gonna smash the Doritos in the bowl. I didn't get the spicy Doritos. Really?
That's too much?
Really, bro?
What?
Really?
That's too much?
Okay.
I thought it was not enough.
But I'm trying to make it like that fiery taste.
Well, whose are these?
Huh?
Whose are these?
What do you mean?
Whose are these? Oh, they're not yours. They're not yours. They're not yours.
Oh my god. That's not funny. It's really not.
Who just are these?
I'm not sure.
That was so funny because you didn't see it coming. See, you could have made your own chips out of this. You know, have you ever thought about like making like chip dough? Like, you know, you crush them up. How do you make dough? Like,
chip dough, really?
Yeah, chip dough. Right? It's like reverse engineering.
I don't know. You're speaking another language now.
Because the thing is, like, you know, these are corn chips. They have corn tortillas as well. So I would think the same physics apply for the corn chip to become corn tortillas. Look at her. All she want to do is play the chips like it's a tambourine. You want some other stuff right now. I was trying to join in, but I can't join in with that.
You can't?
Heck, no.
Okay, what we gonna sing?
Not no. Shake up. Get it. Okay.
Well, mine are about crunched up. What about yours?
Did you ready?
You alright. So now we gotta make we making our coat right now, our coating right now. I bought some ground jalapeno pepper.
You gonna mix that in it?
I sure am.
Oh wow.
Woo! Woo!
Why would you smell it? Why would you smell it? Your nose hair is probably burned. Your nose hair probably burned out. Jalapeno.
Ground jalapeno pepper.
Jalapeno.
And it's some new smell.
No, bro. I just seen what it did to you. I'm not gonna smell that.
All right.
Good.
This we just gonna add. Oh, no.
I'm gonna pour this right here. Pour this right here.
Alright, this one stick real good. I don't know why, but it did. Alright.
Come on, girl, sprinkle. Your little sprinkle like cupcake sprinkles.
Just sprinkle just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Just to get that Dorito flavor.
I was about to say, get that little flavor. Oh yeah.
Y'all ain't never had no Dorito tacos like this.
Most definitely not. I'm pretty sure you have it. I can bet money.
Oven time.
Yo, you want me to burn my hand, bro? I'll break the tortilla. Delicate down, delicate. Boom.
We about to cook the meat.
And grate that yellow.
And grate the cheese. Yeah.
Yeah. Ready for that.
I already got my pan on the oven. Clean and rinse and dry and all that on the side. You feel me? So I'm about to put this
you trying to hang with that?
Boy, you want to fight?
You want your hair going? You want your hair going?
Boy.
You don't want that fade, bruh.
No, you.
Rock, paper, scissors up. Rock, paper, scissors up.
What?
Scissors.
What?
Girl.
Boy.
Okay, you don't want.
So I'm gonna put some olive oil, like I was trying to say from the beginning before he kindly interrupted my speech.
Quarter done with the block. That's a must. You know when you manually grating cheese, bro? Manually grating cheese. You put in the little muzzles in there and stuff like that. You know what I mean?
So I'm gonna season my meat before I even put it on the fire.
Right.
That seasoned salt. I don't know if any of y'all use basil. Oh, and lemon pepper. Some minced garlic.
Okay.
And that's some Worcestershire. I can never actually pronounce this correctly. Try to pronounce it.
Worcestershire. 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 I don't know what that's at.
What's Worcestershire sauce?
Shire. Why do you say shine? Where I'm getting the N from?
Worcestershire.
Shire.
Say it together. 1, 2, 3. Worcestershire sauce. Now I can smell our tacos. They smell like they need to come out a little bit sooner, so you know we gonna take them out right now.
Right now.
All right.
Look at her. She's dedicated. She's motivated. She's into it. She's going in. She's going in. Y'all ain't ready.
Oh, it smells so good. It's not. Smell good. Smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. While we wait for this meat right here, you know, it takes a little bit of while. You know, you gotta make sure your meat is cooked thoroughly.
Super.
So while we wait, we're gonna bust a little rhyme for y'all.
Bust a little rhyme.
We're gonna bust a little rhyme for y'all. We're gonna bust a little rhyme for y'all. And ready gonna start.
I'm gonna start. I said we cooking some tacos.
Cooking some tacos.
They ain't ready for the food.
Ain't ready for the food.
I'm gonna eat it all up.
Eat it all up.
And I'm gonna blow a fuse.
He's gonna blow a fuse. Cheese on your tacos, how you feel? I see the smoke filling up the air. And then
what?
I ate some chia.
Ooh, ready for it. But I'm not a rapper.
So our meat is almost done. Almost done. If you guys are wondering why the color is like this, for those who don't eat ground turkey, it's not ground beef.
That's your answer?
Righteous! And I like my meat like really, really small. I don't really like big balls of meat.
You can crack yourself like that, do you?
That was funny.
No, I'm not laughing at you, joking. I'm laughing. Don't drop those two.
Woo, look at all that smoke. Look at all that smoke. Let's make our taco.
The way that I do my tacos is I put cheese at the bottom. Hey, don't burn me, homie. Don't burn me, homie. For real, I'm not playing. That's not even a joke, bro. I don't care. You don't burn me. You think it's funny, but you burn me, bro. That whole pot gonna be getting close. You still laughing. You play too much. Stop playing. Stop playing. Alright.
Yeah, get that on there.
I got that on there.
Yeah, get that on there real nice.
Yep.
Our tacos is about done.
They are done.
Well, his is done, but I'm gonna add me some few bell peppers.
Don't need it. I don't need
If you eat bell peppers on your tacos.
But you don't just eat bell peppers on your tacos. You eat bell peppers on everything.
Our tacos are epic. Comment below if they look good. Turkey Dorito tacos. Turkey Dorito tacos. With everything on them. Are you ready?
Don't worry it out.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's get it. Mmm. Mmm.
I say we give ourselves an A+++.
Mm-hmm. That's how gangsters eat tacos. I need some ketchup.
It's good. A1. Our Dorito tacos
A success.
turned out great.
Our experiment hypothesis actually turned out to be successful and
delicious.
hey, success.
If you guys want to see us cook more delicious experimental foods that we just think that we can put together and make it to the awesomest meal ever,
Which it is, leave it in the comments and description below. And give us any type of suggestions and any type of things that you want us to cook, and it might get featured on the channel.
exactly. From us, make sure y'all like this video. That's the first thing y'all should have done. So if you haven't got to do that,
Do it now.
do it now.
Right now.
We gonna enjoy our tacos. Make sure you like and make sure you subscribe. On that note,
We out.
deuces.
Deuces.